During routine maintenance and major turnarounds, conventional wisdom in the energy industry dictates the most important thing to do is get things back together leak-free. Of course, final assembly of components allows the facility to get back to profitable production sooner, but after decades of hands-on experience, Integra Technologies asks the question, what about breaking it apart? And our answer? Break it out like a boss. Boss, Breakout Specialty Solutions, focuses on the often overlooked importance of getting things broken out faster, better, and safer. No more unexpected schedule delays that can throw off your plans to get things started. Breaking it out like a boss helps avoid cost overruns and potential safety issues caused by bolting discovery work. Utilizing both remediation and preventative technologies, we have the expertise to ensure your critical equipment is broken out the first time, every time. Whenever Integra Technologies is on site, you have the highest level of certainty of outcome knowing your joints will be broken out like a boss. Boss utilizes a wide range of specialty remediation technologies that ensure your joint is broken out and you're ready to get to work. These include nut splitting, nut and stud speed drilling, Black Widow stud drilling, detensioning and detorquing, and the diamond disc chop saw. To ensure your joint has no issue breaking apart in the future, our industry-proven and patented preventative technologies can be employed on your critical assets. These include Blackhawk hydraulic nuts, Popwasher high-speed nut removal system, Talon auto-retract tensioners, and our newest technology, the Velocity Washer. Integra Technologies can break out your joints like a boss with technologies that allow you to get more done in one shift, technologies with built-in experience, and technologies that increase safety and productivity. Or, we can provide you with the necessary tools and training to be the boss yourself. Contact us today to learn more about Boss, Breakout Specialty Solutions.